think I'm more of an anthropologist, out capturing the human experience. When I started my career, I shot on film. I developed images in a darkroom. This is my first camera. Now my camera flies and shoots video. That's kind of marvelous. Shooting on film for 15 years gave me a really solid foundation in fundamental photography and technique. And then when I switched to digital, it really helped me take making mistakes less seriously. It took a lot of the stress out of the job. I love the instant gratification of being able to look down at my camera and know that I am killing it for you. Or make adjustments if we're not there yet. I try to focus on the here and now. Naturally, I think about the past and worry about the future. Taking pictures helps me stay grounded in this moment right now. What's beautiful or wonderful, poignant about this moment in time? Is it the light? The location? That laugh? The reflection? I love reflections. What's happening with this relationship right now? Was it that smile? Or is it the love? Sometimes it's the view. And what do I have the opportunity to witness that's just magnificent? When I look back on all the little moments, it's like I'm creating this tapestry of our lives. Even when life's hard, I can see that there are great things happening right now too. I just have to remember to look. It's a good life, getting to celebrate these milestones, achievements, getting to be part of these memories with you. I'm going to continue to do my best to go out and capture it. To keep finding all these good little moments that life has to offer and add them to the archives that are becoming the stuff of our legends. I'm up for an adventure, and I'm honored that people want me to capture theirs.